Little ghost, you're
Would it be such a bad thing?
Unlike most,
Being a full-time student here?
You see the truth.
I just wanted to say I'm sorry how everything went down with the resurrection.
How'd you hear?
Invisibly, I climb the walls, no one sees me.
Boyfriend.
No one but you.
Have him flirt with all the weird sisters, or with the entire academy, which you do, by the way, witches and warlocks alike. You're an equal opportunity flirt, and that's fine, Nick. But I'm going home.
Sabrina, come on. I love you, Spellman.
You
taught me how to love.
You're here too. Life is untroubled in this cave with you here. I wish I were worthy of such a station.
And I will make you worthy. Every time I look at you, all I see is your father.
Together we can make
I love you, but I
something
can't do the
beautiful. So take my hand and perfectly we fill the gaps. You and me make three. I was meant for you and you for me.
Come on, stay strong, you got this.
The strange birds. Now I want to fly into your
We obviously still have feelings for each other.
I want
We're
to be
endgame.
heard.
Oh, sorry.
My wounded wings to pretend you've always loved the stranger inside.
I still have feelings for you.
Be pretty.
Crazy how you spell it.
If you tell me that it's over, I'm leaving you alone.
I need to say you words to me. I miss you. So, when I heard what you said to me, and when I searched my heart, that 1% chance we're talking about, it's now.
You've always loved the stranger.
Goodbye, Nick.
I want to
Goodbye,
fly
Nicholas.
to you.
I'm never letting you go.
I want to be heard.
Lilith, you look to the false god for answers and understanding, but none are coming. You are forsaken in his eyes.
Inside me, ugly, pretty.